yung ano, company. Halimbawa, you have a repair ticket. You can create a repair ticket under category. You can select repair, service, installation, technical, billing, and you can mark this ticket as low, medium, high, or urgent priority. And then you can also set the due date. Yan. Halimbawa is mag-add tayo ng ticket repair, and then address for repair, and then general repair yung category, and then the priority is urgent or high. And then you can set this due date as null or wala kang ilalagay. Pwede naman maglagay kang due date, pero create ticket na lang tayo. Let's create the ticket, and then the ticket created successfully. Yan, maganda yung ating pop notification, no? And then dito siya sa pending na punta. At first, this ticket is not assigned to a specific employee or a team. So this ticket, pwede natin i-assign ito. When we click the ticket, mag-appear yung ating sidebar. Okay, na makikita natin yung ticket information, status, priority, category, and you can assign this ticket to a specific team or a specific employee. And ang kagandahan dito, meron siyang activity log. Halimbawa is ito, minove natin sa ongoing, and then magkaroon agad itong ticket na to na activity log. Ayan, so per admin, so sinong nag-action, sinong nag-act dito, gumawa ng movement na to, update ticket status, change from pending to ongoing. And then halimbawa is na ano na ito, na resolve na, ticket status is resolved. Ayan, yan, na-resolve na siya, andito na siya. And then the employee or the team can also add a comment. Halimbawa, done repair, change SC connector. Okay, and then pwede siya mag-upload ng image para sa proof. Halimbawa, ganyan, done repair, change SC connector, and click add comment. Meron na siyang comment dito, makikita, ma-monitor nyo yung changes, yung comments ng specific na ticket, kung ano yung mga ginawa. Ayan, and yung gumawa ng comment na to, pwede niyang i-delete yon. Siya lang pwede mag-delete nun. Yan, since ako gumawa nito, kaya nakikita ko tong delete. Yan, they can also view the uploaded image and add another comment. Okay, ganun lang kadali dito. Ang kagandahan dito sa ating ticket is drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop siya, and also drag and drop din ating team section. Dito naman tayo sa mamaya na yung employee section.